In this video, we're diving into the top programming languages to learn in 2025 and beyond and why they're worth your time. Let's get started. First up is Python. It's still the king of programming languages. Why? Because it's super versatile, beginner friendly, and powers some of the coolest tech out there like data science, machine learning, web development, and automation. In 2025, AI is only getting bigger, and Python is the go-to programming language for AI and machine learning projects. But here's the thing, learning Python isn't just about landing your first job, it's about staying relevant throughout your entire career. Python is one of those programming languages you'll keep coming back to. If you want to learn Python and don't know where to start, check out roadmap.sh. This site practically gives you tailored roadmaps for not just in Python but in all other aspects of the IT industry. Whether it's in DevOps or machine learning, Roadmap has you covered. And by the way, if you're new here, welcome. This channel covers the latest trends in AI, bringing you videos to help you stay updated with the newest developments in the world of artificial intelligence and software development. If that sounds good, hit subscribe and check out other videos on this channel. Alright, let's get back to the top programming languages of 2025. Next up, we've got Java. You might be thinking, isn't Java kind of old school? While it's been around for a long time, Java is far from obsolete. It's actually a crucial part of many major industries, from banking and healthcare to e-commerce and more. While Kotlin is gaining popularity, Java still stands strong thanks to its extensive ecosystem, powerful tools, and massive community support. Many companies continue to depend on Java for its reliability and ability to scale efficiently. And if you're considering Android development, Java remains the top choice. Bottom line, if you're after long-term job stability and opportunities at large companies, Java is a smart bet. Now let's talk about JavaScript. Love it or hate it, JavaScript is everywhere. In fact, more than 98% of the web relies on it. It plays a major role in front-end, back-end, and even mobile development. You might be wondering, with AI tools like ChatGPT around, is learning JavaScript still necessary? The answer is yes, and here's why. While AI can help you write code, you still need to understand what that code does. Think of it like this. Would you let ChatGPT draft a legal contract for selling your house and sign it without a lawyer reviewing it first? Probably not. The same goes for coding. You need to read through it, adjust it, and make sure it fits your project needs. If you want to take JavaScript to the next level, TypeScript is the perfect upgrade. TypeScript introduces static typing, which makes it easier to catch bugs early, enhance code maintainability, and simplifies working on large-scale projects. I'm confident that in 2025 and beyond, even more companies will adopt TypeScript to boost efficiency and minimize errors. And the best part, if you're already familiar with JavaScript, picking up TypeScript is a breeze. You could learn it in a month. And yes, there's a roadmap on how to learn TypeScript on roadmap.sh. Okay, now let's talk about SQL. It may not be the most glamorous skill, but SQL is essential for every tech professional. Whether you're handling data or developing a software, SQL is the standard tool for maintaining database. Let's be honest, with rapid growth of AI, the demand for data expertise is skyrocketing. Since AI relies heavily on data, knowing how to access and manipulate the data with SQL is a major advantage. Even if your focus is on another programming language, having SQL in your skill set will give you a significant edge. It's one of those fundamental tools you'll always come back to. Last but definitely not least, C++. C++ can be a bit challenging to pick up, especially if you're new to programming, but there's a good reason why it's still widely used. Known for its speed and precise control over system resources, C++ powers everything from game engines to high-frequency trading platforms. It plays a crucial role in industries like automotive, robotics, and real-time simulations. So if you're passionate about working on cutting-edge technology, learning C++ is definitely a smart move. And that wraps up the list of our top programming languages to learn in 2025 and beyond. Whether you're just getting started or looking to level up your skills, these languages can unlock incredible opportunities.